So this is the plug-in motion sensor LED garage light 3-in-1 panel. Installation on this, super simple. You have your screw in if you want to use it this way. You also have your plug adapter here. The light itself, 3 panels, LED lights. You can set those to whatever direction you need them to be in. We can go with the simple option of just plugging it in directly. You have your on-off switch right here. Once you have it plugged in, your on-off switch has 3 options. You have mode 1, you have off, and you have mode 2. Mode 1 is going to be a permanent light that's going to stay on all the time. Middle selection is going to be turned off, and the third selection is going to be your motion detector. The motion detector is right here, and once it picks up the motion, it does what it's supposed to do and turns on. You have a lifespan of 50,000 or more hours, a color temperature of 6,500 K. The adjustable LED panels are 90-degree adjustable, and the recommended installation height would be 8 to 10 foot. Once you've determined where you want to hang your motion detector, you'll also have the included tether line so that you can go ahead and hook this directly up and hang it from wherever you want. There is your tether line. So you'll be able to hook this and adjust it to whatever height you want. That way you're not using the actual power cord. The light itself, all 3 of the panels, your shocked look for the plug-in adapter, the hanging cord, as well as an anchor and anchor point.